Hello children, welcome to your GK class. We will start with the syllabus of second unit test, and the first chapter, the first unit in this part is the world around us, and we have 4 chapters here on page number 41, 42, 43 and 44. So we will do first two. First is about special trees. As you know that trees are green, they bear fruit and they grow tall, they help us in many ways. You all are familiar with this. But here we have been given certain special trees which have been given specific names because of their unique importance. This first one is, its name is traveler's tree. This tree accumulates in its leaf bases water. Means if this is the leaf and there is a base, it accumulates a lot of water, and this water can be used for drinking during emergencies. And it looks like the palm tree, and height is about more than 8 meter. At its top are banana like leaves with pale midribs that give it a fan like appearance. The name of the tree is traveler's tree. Second one, this tree is a giant of plant world. So you can be asked the question based upon this. Name the giant plant of the world. It has largest and longest leaves, and the seeds are also heaviest of the seeds. And its slender tall trunk, it can be up to 34 meters in height. And at the top it bears a crown of mass of the leaves, and the leaves are arranged in such a manner we call it palm fronds. Fronds here refers to group of leaves. The name of this tree is Cocodamar. Cocodamar. It is given below. You can note down from there. Third one, this plant does a brilliant job of mimicking a bumblebee. So you can see these are the flowers. These flowers resemble just like bumblebee to attract the insects for pollination. And when the insect, it thinks it as it is its mate, and sometimes it gets attracted, and in this way this helps the plant to be pollinated. The name of this plant is bee orchid, from the name bee orchid. This also known as mandragora, this plant has a root that looks like a human baby when the plant is young. You can see in this picture. When mature, its cry can be fatal to any person who hears it. Actually, this tree, mandragora or mandrogs, which as we mandrake it is called as mandrake, it has a unique past history. If you have been studying about folk stories, even in Bible it has its name as mentioned there, and people believe that if you pluck this tree then it can make you cry. It is just you can say a historical myth among the people. Okay, the name of the plant is mandragora, and the important thing is its roots look like baby when it is young. Next is, this popular garden plant is one of the most poisonous plants in the garden. So please underline most poisonous plants in the garden, and the name is monk's hood. Monk's hood. But its taste is so unpleasant that nobody has ever tasted. So there are no cases of being poisoned from this tree. Okay. Then the last one is, this tree is a large and graceful, and it is basically known for its pyramid shape. As you can see, its leaves are gently drooping branches, and leaves are very delicate. They are shiny above and silvery beneath, and they provide dense shade in the forest or for home landscape. The name of this tree is hemlock. Hemlock. So children, read about these trees. The next chapter describes about ferns, lichens and fungi. Fungi, as you know, are a separate kingdom which includes all the organisms which are saprophytic. They lack chlorophyll and they feed upon dead and decaying matter. Examples are like yeast, like the mushrooms which are edible fungi. Okay, ferns is one of the class in plants, and lichens is the association of fungus with algae. So here we have ticked the correct answer in each case. The fusion of two gametes produces a zygote. Which of these are thought to be the closest relative of fungi? Animals. The correct answer is animals. Most of the fungi that spoil food belong to the division. These three names are the classification of, means you can say types of fungi: Basidiomycetes, Rhodophytes and Ascomycetes. So among these, Ascomycota, we also call it Ascomycetes, this type of fungi is considered to be the which can cause most spoil the food. The photosynthetic symbiont of lichen is often a green alga. Lichen is an association. You must have read in biology in class 8th also, we have read that it is the symbiotic association of algae and fungus, in which green algae prepares the food and the fungus part absorbs nourishment or provides nitrogenous nutrients. Which of the following do all the fungi have in common? The answer is absorbing nutrients. All fungi can absorb the nutrients. Then we have true and false. Fungi reproduce only asexually. False. They can reproduce sexually also by forming conjugating tubes. You will read in higher classes. Diseases of animals caused by fungi are mycosis. This is true. Haploid genomes contain two sets of chromosomes. False. Haploid refers to single. N. Single. Diploid refers to two. In fungi, aseptate hyphae are cenocytic by definition. This is true. Here, if you would like to understand, hyphae, if you have read about fungi produce network of hyphae, okay, and these hyphae sometimes they do not have septa, means they don't develop the walls in the cells, but nucleus are present at many places. Many nuclei are there. Such type of fungi are known as cenocyte. Cenocyte means having many nuclei. Okay. Mixa amoebae act like protozoan amoebae only in the absence of water. This is also true. So children, revise these two chapters. In the next part, we will continue with the syllabus. Thank you.